Hi viewers, my name is Sirisha. Welcome to my channel Dream Life Diaries. This is the fifth video in my 30-day weight loss series with intermittent fasting and fitness routine. If you like the video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon next to it to receive notifications for the upcoming videos. Today, I am going to practice some ab exercises to burn the belly fat. It's a very effective workout and helps transform a saggy belly into a flat and tight stomach in just few weeks if you practice it twice in a week. Trust me, it works even for the post-pregnancy saggy belly. Start with warm-up to stretch the abs and get them ready for the upcoming workout. Keep your feet together and interlock your fingers. Inhale, lift your heels up and extend your arms towards ceiling. Exhale, put the heels down on the mat and bring the hands down. Let's do it 4 more times. Inhale, lift your heels up as much as possible. Exhale. Inhale, stretch your abs as much as possible. Exhale. And release. Second warm up. Keep your feet hip width apart. Inhale. Now exhale and twist to your right side. Inhale back to the center. Exhale and twist to your left side. Inhale back to center. Let's practice it 4 more times. When you're twisting to your left side or right side, make sure that you exhale. And when you're coming back to the center, make sure that you inhale. Twist as much as possible. Third warm up. Come to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Your heels and palms on the mat. From here, exhale into Chaturanga Dandasana, low plank. Your entire body is on your palms and toes. If this is difficult, drop your knees, chest and chin on the mat. Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale into Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Lift your chest up and look up. Shoulder in line with the wrist. Exhale into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Try to place the heels on the mat if possible. Let's repeat it 4 more times. Chaturanga Dandasana, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, Adho Mukha Svanasana. 3 more times. After the warm-up, let's practice the ab exercises to burn all that stubborn fat. From Adho Mukha Svanasana, come to Dandasana. Shoulder in line with the wrist. From here, bring your right leg to the chest and hold it for 20 seconds. Bring it back and let's do it on the other side. Hold it for 20 seconds. Keep breathing. And then bring it back. From here, let's move to elbow plank. Stay here for minimum 30 seconds. If possible, you can stay for more than a minute. Hold the posture. Keep breathing. Do not hold your breath. When you're done, drop your knees. Come to Vajrasana. From Vajrasana, lie down on the mat on your back. Place your hands under the body and lift your legs 1 foot above the ground and hold it for 20 seconds. This burns fat from the lower abdomen. After 20 seconds, lift your head up. It burns fat from your upper abdomen. And stay here for 20 seconds. Keep breathing. When you're done, slowly release. Let's start with the leg rotations. Rotate your right leg in clockwise directions for 20 repetitions. and then rotate it in anti-clockwise direction for 20 repetitions. Practice it on the left side as well. 20 repetitions in the clockwise direction and in the anti-clockwise direction. This exercise burns fat from lower and upper abdomen. Let's practice 90-degree lift-ups. Lift your legs and do not place them down on the mat, but take them closer to the mat. Do 20 repetitions of this. Let's practice cycling now. Interlock your fingers, place them under your head. Now bring your right elbow to the left knee and left elbow to the right knee. Let's practice it 15 times on each side. Let's practice the broad crunches. Place your fingertips on the mat and start crunching. Inhale, go down. Exhale, come up. For the detailed ab workout with instructions, click on the suggestion card above or check out the link in the description. Let's practice some cool down exercises. Bring your knees to the chest, hold your elbows and hug your knees. Stay in this posture for 20 seconds. When you're done, place your hands in T shape and drop your knees to the right side. And look to the other side. Stay here for 20 seconds. And then do it the other side. And finally, rest in Shavasana for 2 to 3 minutes. After the ab workout, have some warm water with some lemon and honey added to it. So how do I make it? I'll add some warm or little hot water to a glass. Squeeze in a lemon and add 1 tablespoon of honey to it. Honey with warm water also helps in bringing down the belly fat considerably. I had moong dal or mung beans dosa for breakfast today. Mung beans are rich in vitamins and minerals. They are also high in fiber and protein, which are good for digestive health and help in weight loss. So how do I make it? To make moong dal or mung beans dosa, you need a bowl of moong dal and half or 1/4 bowl of dosa rice and 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. Soak all the ingredients overnight and grind them into a thick paste, either in the wet grinder or in the blender jar. Add some salt and water to bring it to thin consistency. You don't have to ferment this batter overnight. We can use it directly to make dosas. For the detailed recipe, click on the suggestion card above or check out the link in the description below. I had a glass of milk and a banana between the breakfast and my early dinner. I had millet khichdi for my dinner today. It is one of the best ways to incorporate millets and vegetables into your regular diet. So how do I make millet khichdi? To make millet khichdi, for 1 cup of foxtail millet, we need half cup of yellow moong. Foxtail millet has to be soaked for minimum 4 hours, whereas yellow moong can be soaked for half an hour before making the millet khichdi. To a pan cooker, add the oil and the seasoning. Add chopped onions and turmeric and cook it for a minute. Add some salt as per your taste and add the chopped tomatoes. Cook it for a minute. Now start adding all the chopped vegetables. I've added carrot and capsicum here and 1 big bowl of moringa leaves. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the foxtail millet, yellow moong and add some chili powder and pressure cook it for 3 to 4 whistles. For the detailed recipe, click on the suggestion card above or check out the link in the description. I have mentioned all the links to the workouts and recipes in the description below. You can also click on the suggestion cards that were being displayed during the video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends and add your comments to the comment section below. And do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button to receive notifications for the upcoming videos. Thank you.